Welcome back to Sharmone's Kitchen. Today we will be making shrimp stuffed pineapple bowl. That's right, y'all, where I first took
a whole pineapple, cut it in half, okay? You can either keep the green garnish on or you can take it off. So one half has the green garnish and one half doesn't. And then I also cleaned the inside with the pineapples. I went around the edges and cut it up and place it in the plate, cut it in chunks, because that's going to be a part of our meal, okay? Then we also have a half a pound of shrimp, 2 cups of rice. You can use rice-a-roni, Uncle Ben's rice, white rice, or brown rice. I have 3 teaspoons of curry, a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 3 teaspoons of butter, yes. And then we're going to also add water in after we saute our rice in the wok pan, whatever you prefer, or pot, whatever you got at home to use. Okay, let's go ahead and get ready.
Now, this meal inspired me by my cousin had a luau a few weeks ago, and even though I didn't make it, I saw pictures and it was awesome. So I wanted to kind of contribute to that and go off of that. Okay, so we're going to be making the pineapple. We're going to start off with
putting the rice into a grease pan. I put 3 teaspoons of olive oil, okay? That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to let this rice cook for about a good 10 minutes till it gets brown. Then we're going to pour the water in.
So I have poured the 2 cups of water inside of the rice when it got brown, okay?
Okay, so while the rice is cooking until the water boils out, I'm going to add that 1 teaspoon of butter, okay? We're going to add in the shrimp. And then we're going to add in the cut up pineapple to incorporate with the shrimp. Keep the juices as well. And we're going to stir.
After I have put the water in and let the rice cook for about a good 15-20 minutes so that it can get soft, I sauteed the pineapples and shrimp for about a good 10 minutes. We're going to incorporate everything, okay? Let's go ahead and do that. So you want to make sure that your stove is turned on medium low at this time. You don't want your rice to burn or get stuck to the pan. So we're going to take the juices and the shrimps and incorporate it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in the seasoning. So I went ahead and prepared and stuffed the pineapple. I'm going to top it off with one thing. You see I had to put on the lay to go with the setting, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of sprinkle of parsley on it, just to give it a little decoration, a little bit more flavor. Okay, so keep in mind that when cooking your rice, you can cook it longer than 15 or 20 minutes, soften to your taste. Get one of these shrimps here, hot, smoking. Yes. Once again, thank you for visiting Sharmone's Kitchen. I would like for you to subscribe and like on this page and visit me on Facebook at Sharmone Snyder. We appreciate everything. Thank you for your time. From my family to yours. Have a blessing.